all, I'm Isaac. I'm with Parkside Kia. I'm one of the sales consultants here. You can check out here this new 2022 Kia Carnival SX Prestige. It's gonna have your fully load out. It's gonna have your surround view cameras. You got your camera right here. You got your two on the side. You have the front parking sensors. They come with LED headlights, LED DRLs. Gives it a nice little sleek, modern look. Come around here. You got your black wheels right here. Gives it a nice little contrast to this white, beautiful snow white pearl paint. Here's your side cameras right here, your turn certainty signals. On the passenger side, you can kind of see, you get power seats, you get this beautiful Tuscan umber. You get a wireless phone charger, you got plenty of USB ports for all your friends and all your family devices. You get them come standard with navigation and Android and Apple CarPlay. Come around here, you have these sliding doors. They're power sliding doors. So let me just show you this back row here. This one has an entertainment package system. So you got your little tablets back here that you can plug up. You got HDMI ports and you have a couple USB ports so you can plug up whatever devices you want up there. Let's show you how the lounge chairs works. So right here, this one will actually, right here will pull you forward and back. And then you got also this one that puts you side to side. Now if you want to use the lounge chair function, you got buttons right here. So you can recline back further. You can also, check that out. Isn't that pretty awesome right there? So there you go. Kind of let your legs sit out, kind of relax, chill, lounge. These are what they call VIP seating. Now, like I said, you have the 110 power inverter. It's a 3-prong vote right here. You can plug in whatever devices you want in here or appliance. Well, I won't say like a fridge, but let's say, you know, you need another charger or something like that. You can just plug right into there. Another 12 volt. And on the back of each seat, you have a USB. All right, now you just come back. You can kind of see how this kind of more of an SUV design is in towards the back. You got roof racks right up here. This one has a smart trunk function. So coming back here on the back side, I have the gate open. What I'm going to show you is how you can program the height. So let me go ahead, just set the height I want it at. There you go, it's set. All you have to do is just hold that button down, and I'll just show you. It's going to come right back up. There you go. And you can see it comes up right to where I had it set. And then you can push it back up, and then just set it back to the max height right here. All right, so I just want to kind of show you how easy it is to function the third rows. Just one hand, just push down, just simple like that. You just let it slide out, come out, pull on this. Easy, right? Back here, you do have another 110 power inverter right here, also with a 12 volt. Your spare tire is actually going to be in the center, so you can go to the center there and pull down your spare tire. Go ahead, let's close that. What's nice about, you know, all our third row seatings in all our vehicles is it's gonna have USB also in the third row. Sunshades right there for your rear passengers. It comes with the heated, ventilated second row seats. Gives extra comfort for your second row. Back here you have your climate control for your rear passengers, so you can see they can control it here. You can turn up the fan, you can have it on auto and turn down the temperature and everything like that back here. So, and then you can turn it off. So we can check out this. It's got the front sunroof, and then you can see the rear. It also has a opening sunroof. So it's got essentially 2 sunroofs. They both do open, so that's pretty cool right there. So this one will come, of course your front rows will come with heated and ventilated seating. You got your full digital cluster right here, so check this out. You got your full digital cluster. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. Nice load up screen. Now I want to just show you with the blind spot camera, you do have, the cameras will show your blind spots. So that's a pretty cool function there. It comes with a nice little sleek, kind of almost looks like a one big screen, but 2 separates. This is your infotainment system right here. Of course you can see right here you got your dual climates and all your functions for your climate and interior. And check this out, you got an analog tune button, which I don't know, a lot of people, I don't know if they like the touchscreen or not, but you do get an analog little wheel here, which is pretty cool. Comes with a high beam assist, so when you have this little button that shows up, or this little light that shows up, it's gonna turn your high beams on and off for you automatically. Oncoming car, or if you're in a well-lit area, it'll turn off your high beams, and when you're back in the dark, bam. Alright, this one comes of course with smart cruise control. Here are your memory seats, and then it comes with also folding mirrors, so if you're ever in a tight spot in the parking, you just press that button right there, it'll fold them right in. Alright, so we're back here in the front. What I want to just show you quickly is the keys. So this is your key right here. This is your remote start. To get your remote start to work, you just press your lock button twice like that and hold down the remote start button. Check that, isn't that pretty sweet? Now you do have, of course, buttons for your side doors. And I'll just do the other side. But there you go. You know, check this out. We're at Parkside Kia. This is the 2022 Kia Carnival SX Prestige.